Welcome everybody. In this video we will set up Json-Server. Json-Server is a tool that allows us to create full fake REST APIs with zero coding. It's created for front-end developers who need a quick back-end for prototyping and mocking without real back-end server. So, Json-Server allows us to do CRUD operations, full text search, sorting, and pagination, etc. We will be using Json-Server in our app, so let's install it by running npm I Json-Server with the globally flag. I already installed it, so I don't need to install it. So let's run Json-Server watch db.json. It will create a db.json file. Each key in this object will be considered as an endpoint at localhost 3000. So we will be using some data about food plates. So let's pass our data. Plates returns an object with name of the food plate, an image of it, and its ID. So if we go to localhost 3000/plates, we will be creating a GET request to view our JSON. And now we finished set up the JSON server. That's it for this video.